This is Wes bottom up. Wes scraping my floor part 1. Is that it? It's dragging? Oh! Alright. Stupid lower cars. Well, it looks like we're going to be shooting this episode outside. Wes, your car's stupid. It won't even fit in the garage.
You gotta,
That's the cameraman.
You gotta stand up stick. I gotta replace the lifters on here.
Your car's getting stupider as we go. We're going to be doing a cold air intake, but it's like we're replacing hood shocks too. This is gold right here. So our homie that hooked us up with the tubing benders and stuff for the roll cage on the Conquest gave us a free scooter. And Wesley's never ridden a scooter before. Feel like you need to be delivering a pizza somewhere.
Pizza boy.
Pizza boy! Roads closed, pizza boy. Yeah, totally. Off-roading on the scooter.
It's real to took me out.
On this episode of Inspiration Nation, we are going to be installing an eBay cold air intake on our G37 convertible. We're finally going to be giving the G37 some love. Just a little bit of love. It's just an eBay truck. But what the is that? You guys love the eBay short throw shifter so much that we figured we'd do the eBay cold air intake as well. So let's see what all we get for, what was it, $128? Yep. $128. And yeah, it comes with everything. Shiny pipes. And clips. Hey, it even comes with a little heat shield. Hoses. It looks like it comes with everything you need for like 128 bucks. So let's get at it. First thing we're going to be doing is taking off the engine cover. You're going to need a 10 millimeter socket for that. Let's see this
Oh, she gonna be dirty.
Nissan plastic intake. So now that the cover's off, ow, my head. Watch your head. You want to make sure you pull out this 10 millimeter here so that you can undo part of the PCV vacuum tubing. Make sure you undo the little clip for the mass airflow sensor. You just push down on that tab. Be careful. With age, these get brittle and they can break. And then if it comes on and off, it could cause you problems. But come down here on the side of the box, squeeze in one side, squeeze in the other side, and poof, there's the little clip. And tuck it up over out of the way. Do not forget to hook that up before you start your car. It'll throw a check engine light, guaranteed. Then you just unbolt all your locating bolts and your tubing. I don't need to show you how to do that. You are mechanically inclined enough to figure unbolting that stuff out. Don't break anything. I'm gonna race you. Already got a head start. I'm gonna win. Always remember where your bolts go too. That's a big. I will say it's even a weight reduction because that's a bit heavier than the aluminum piece.
Yeah, it is a little bit.
Wow. I hope this is this really that easy?
Yeah. That's what I'm saying. It's pretty simple.
Guys, this is going to be the shortest, most instructional video you will ever. This is so simple. You just take stuff off, put stuff on. Like this. Yep, and this one's got a 10 millimeter to connect here. All right, so what we've discovered is it looks like it's going to be mounting the mass airflow sensors upside down.
I don't know about this here.
The kit comes with small little pieces of tubing to, I guess, adapt the factory PCV valves to the thing, but we couldn't figure them out, so we just went to the auto parts store, got a length of 5/8 hose, and we're just gonna get rid of the factory stuff and run a new hose over to the PCV valve somehow, or not to the PCV valve, but to the intake. You gotta pull out this 10mm here, and it mounts like that. We are reusing the factory clips.
It don't fit?
I told you guys.
I think you probably supposed to put the cone on first, maybe. I don't know.
Possibly. One of these things isn't gonna work.
What the?
3 weeks later.
Now you assemble everything back together. It's been a couple weeks since we shot the first part of the teardown because our eBay kit came with the wrong filters, so we had to then order the correct size filters. And there you have it. What to expect when installing a basic eBay cold air intake on your G37 convertible. Now the only thing left to do is take it for a ride and enjoy it.